Welcome to the Hints and Knowledge Repository training video. We'll start today's training by opening up a web browser. From there, we'll go to the ClickWiki MomentumI.com webpage and click on the Hakr link. So here in the Hakr link, you'll be seeing the Hints and Knowledge Repository main page. You'll see our vision and our organizational contents. Within the organizational contents, you'll see the different departments, platforms, clients, projects, and Hakr support documentation. We'll start by clicking on the Departments page, and that will take us to Departments section. From there you can see the different departments that we'll have. Client Engineering, Client Services, Client Human Resources, Implementation, IT Print Ops, Product Development, Production Services, Sales Marketing, and Strategy and Analysis. The Department section generally has templates and non-client specific information. Next, we'll get into the Client section. In the Client section, you can see all the different clients that ClickSquared supports. In each client, we have the same template: account management, project management, IT and client engineering, strategy and reporting, sales marketing, HR and finance, and design. Now, let's take a look at editing a section. Clicking on the Edit button and logging in as MomentumI login, we can get into this window, and from here you can just simply add text. In this case, I'm going to add that Amanda Cyrus is the account manager. When I hit Save Page, you can now see that the text is added in under the Account Management section. Next, you might be wondering why these specific clients have a little arrow pointing to the outside of them. That's because they're external clients. External links to our UK Wiki. You can see in the UK Wiki it has the same contents: account management, project management, etc. But it's a little more fleshed out, especially in the IT section, as they've had a little bit more time to put together their wiki. And one of our goals was to utilize what they've already created. Next, we'll look at adding documents. To add a document to the wiki, we will plan on utilizing the ClickSquared portal. The portal, as you can see here, is the same portal that you're used to using and that we've added documentation before. The account management page, click on client documentation, click on the Airmark folder, and simply copy the link. And this will link us back to the documentation that we already had. Click on Edit again, paste in the external link, the globe, and then copy the link on the left-hand side, and then a link description on the right-hand side. We're going to type in Account Management Documents. Click Save, and now you'll see that the document link is there. Click on it, and it takes you straight to the portal page. Next up, we'll talk about wiki support. If you go to the Hakr main page, and you click on Hakr Support Documentation, it will take you to that page where you'll see a section called the Wiki Support page. There, it's an editing guide that gets into how to utilize a wiki. It has several sections of information of how to edit, how to add up markup codes, and how to do formatting, etc. Another way that I like to get new ideas is to copy formatting from existing pages. In this example, we're going to copy a table from an existing page into our new page. Here's the example of the table right here. Simply just go into the Edit window, find the table, scrolling down, copy the table by highlighting it, and then going to the window that I want to add the table to and pasting in the values. I'm going to go back to my Clients page, click on Airmark, edit the Account Management section, and paste that table there. You can see that it has the different sections. The class type is the table, it's center aligned. It has two columns, field and value, and then these are the actual values of the field. I'm going to type in Amanda Cyrus as the account manager, and then I'm going to type in her email address as the second value in the column. Next up, I'm going to change the actual column headings from field and value to account person and email address. Finally, I'm going to remove the other columns because I only need one row in this example by simply just highlighting the rows that I want to get rid of and deleting them. Delete that extra row there, and then click on Save Page, and you can see that I now have this table very nicely formatted in my account management section. Next up, we're going to look at another page to figure out how to add an image file. In this example, we're going to add an error mark icon to our account management page. We'll start by just searching for an error mark icon on Google, and we'll copy that image. You can see the image there on the lower right-hand corner. So we'll go to our image creator, copy the icon, and then save it as an errormark.jpg file. Once that's saved off, then we can go back to the wiki. But first, let's start by going to a page that already has an image file. If you recall, our Hakr main page has an image file. So we click Edit, and we can see the file, text, and the name of the file. So we'll copy that, head back over to our error mark page by clicking on our clients and error mark. And then we're going to edit the account management section, and we're going to add our image by copying and pasting that value. We're also going to change the name of the .jpg to errormark.jpg to match the name of our image name. I'm going to click on Save Page, and you can see that it's in red now. That just means that nothing's tied to it. So when I click on it, it'll go to an Upload File page. I simply click on Choose File, and I will be able to upload the errormark.jpg file. Once I click on Choose File, I'll just simply navigate over to the errormark.jpg file. Oops, it's actually up above a little bit. Scroll back up. There it is. Click Open, and then click on Upload File. And voila, the file's uploaded. The nice thing is that if you have a file like this that could be reused, you can use the same file that you've already uploaded on multiple pages. I'll head back to Errormark, click on Client, Errormark, and you'll see now that the image is there. Pretty easy, huh? Well, that'll do it for today's training. Wayne, Emily, Michael, and I would like to thank you. We hope you take the time to look at the Hints and Knowledge Repository.